So what's up, guys? Today I want to talk about ego death and how you experience it, how I experience it, and how does it benefit. I think that people who have been taking substances like mushrooms, when they take high doses, what will happen is they would encounter ego death. And basically, ego death is what's happening when you're in these kinds of experiences. You are detaching from your self-image. What ego is? Self-image. So when you're removing, you're basically just forgetting your self-image within this time frame. What happens is your ego got scared, and what happens is your ego has this fighting self-defense defense mechanism, and it will give you fear. That's when you encounter like this very scary experience, like you're dying. But basically, you're not dying physically, but maybe spiritually, maybe mentally, because I think that why it's very healing for us to experience this one is because once we have this experience of detaching from our self-image, I think that the stress from mostly of human experience is because of attachment of ego and self-image. I mean, it's still good to manifest more of your desire if you're like a big time, if you're happy with your life. There's no problem with that. The problem is when we're very attached to our self-image. We get caught up, Spirit, this is our soul, this is internal. Our physical body is just temporary. Our possessions are temporary. And that is the teaching of this kinds of medicine, is the spiritual aspect of life, which is letting go, understanding that this is just a mask on for us to see perception of the third dimension, and just seeing it, just breathing it, just experiencing it. I think that's the most important thing in life, experience, experiencing itself, and then making the experience the best as it could be, the best as you are, not the best of what people want you to be, the best of who you can be, the most who you are, the most true to you, because you love yourself, you understand?